Friends, today we are going to talk about cookie. Cookies are small files which are stored on a user's computer. They are designed to hold a modest amount of data specific to a particular client and website and can be accessed either by the web server or the client computer. There are three steps involved in identifying returning users. First one is server script sends a set of cookies to the browser. For example, name, age or identification number, etc. Second one is browser stores this information on local machine for future use. Third one is when next time browser sends any request to web server, then it sends those cookies information to the server and server uses that information to identify the user. Now how to set cookies with PHP. So PHP provided set cookie function to set a cookie. This function requires up to 6 arguments and should be called before HTML tag. For each cookie, this function has to be called separately. Syntax is set cookie, name, value, expire, path, domain and security. Here name parameter is used to set the name of the cookie. Value parameter is used to set the value of the cookie. Expire parameter is used to specify a future time in seconds. After this time, cookie will become inaccessible. If this parameter is not set, then cookie will automatically expire when browser is closed. Path parameter specifies the directory for which the cookie is valid. Domain parameter. This can be used to specify the domain name in very large domains and must contain at least 2 periods to be valid. Security parameter can be set to 1 to specify that the cookie should only be sent by secure transmission using HTTPS, otherwise set to 0, which means cookie can be sent by regular HTTP. For example, here we are using set cookie function. Name is cookie name. Cookie value is John Watkin. Cookie time is time function plus 3600 seconds. These last three parameters are optional. Thank you for watching.